Have you ever seen a plant that looks like it belongs in a luxury jungle resort, but is actually one of the easiest plants you can grow at home? Meet the bird's nest fern, also known as Asplenium nidus. With its glossy, wavy leaves and vibrant green color, this plant doesn't just sit in your home, it transforms your entire space into a calm, tropical paradise. But here's the shocking part. Most people accidentally damage this plant without even realizing it. One small mistake, like watering the wrong spot, can slowly kill it from the inside out. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to grow and care for your bird's nest fern the right way, from lighting and watering secrets to humidity hacks that will make your plant thrive like never before. And stick around until the end, because I'll also reveal the hidden benefits of this plant that can improve your air, your mood, and even your sleep. Let's turn your home into a lush green sanctuary, starting now. Section 1. Light, location, and perfect setup. When it comes to keeping your bird's nest fern thriving, light is everything, but not the kind you might expect. Unlike many houseplants that crave direct sunlight, Asplenium nidus prefers soft, indirect light that mimics its natural rainforest habitat. Imagine sunlight filtering through tall jungle trees. That's exactly the environment you want to recreate inside your home. Placing your fern near an east or north-facing window is ideal. If your space only has strong sunlight, don't worry, just use sheer curtains to diffuse the light. Direct sunlight hitting those delicate leaves can cause scorching, leaving behind brown patches and dulling that beautiful glossy shine. Now here's something many people don't realize. This plant can actually survive in lower light conditions. However, while it won't die, its growth will slow significantly, and the leaves may lose their vibrant color. If you want that full, lush, Instagram-worthy look, bright, indirect light is the sweet spot. Location matters just as much as lighting. Avoid placing your plant near air conditioners, fans, or heaters. Sudden temperature changes can stress the plant, causing leaf damage. Instead, choose a stable, warm area where the plant can feel comfortable. Bathrooms and kitchens are surprisingly perfect spots because they naturally provide higher humidity levels. If you've ever wanted a spa-like vibe in your bathroom, this plant is your best friend. Finally, don't forget to rotate your plant every couple of weeks. This ensures even growth and prevents it from leaning toward the light source. Master the light and location, and you've already won half the battle in growing a thriving bird's nest fern. Section 2. Watering and humidity secrets. If there's one thing that can make or break your bird's nest fern, it's watering. And here's the truth. Most people get it wrong. Unlike typical houseplants, Asplenium nidus has a central nest, and watering directly into this area can cause serious problems. Water sitting in the crown can lead to rot, which is one of the fastest ways to damage your plant. Instead, always water the soil around the plant. Keep the soil consistently moist, but never soggy. Think of it like a damp sponge, not dripping wet, but never completely dry either. Before watering, check the top inch of soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Living in a humid climate gives you an advantage, but indoor air can still become dry, especially with air conditioning. This plant thrives in humidity levels above 50%, and the more humidity you provide, the happier it will be. You can easily boost humidity in a few simple ways. Misting the leaves lightly a few times a week helps, but for a more consistent solution, place your pot on a pebble tray filled with water. As the water evaporates, it creates a microenvironment around your plant. Another great trick is grouping your plants together. Plants naturally release moisture, so clustering them increases overall humidity. If you notice brown tips forming on the leaves, that's usually a sign of low humidity or inconsistent watering. Adjust your routine, and your plant will quickly bounce back. Once you master watering and humidity, your bird's nest fern will reward you with lush, vibrant growth that instantly elevates your space. Section 3. Soil, feeding, and maintenance. Healthy roots create a healthy plant, and for the bird's nest fern, the right soil makes all the difference. Asplenium nidus prefers a rich, well-draining soil that retains some moisture without becoming waterlogged. A peat-based potting mix works beautifully because it holds just enough water while still allowing excess moisture to escape. Always choose a pot with proper drainage holes. Without drainage, water can build up at the bottom, leading to root rot, a silent killer for many indoor plants. Feeding your plant is simple but important. During the growing season, spring and summer, use a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks, diluted to half strength to avoid overfeeding, as this plant is sensitive to excess nutrients. In fall and winter, you can reduce or completely stop fertilizing since growth naturally slows down. Maintenance is minimal, but a little care goes a long way. Trim off any yellow or damaged leaves at the base to keep the plant looking fresh and to encourage new growth. Don't pull the leaves. Use clean scissors or pruning shears for a neat cut. Dust can also build up on the wide leaves, blocking light absorption. Gently wipe them with a damp cloth every couple of weeks to keep them clean and shiny. Repotting is only needed every 1 to 2 years, or when you notice roots outgrowing the container. When repotting, go just one size up. Too large a pot can hold excess moisture and stress the plant. With the right soil, gentle feeding, and simple maintenance, your bird's nest fern will stay healthy, vibrant, and absolutely stunning all year round. Section 4. Amazing benefits you didn't know. The bird's nest fern isn't just a beautiful plant, it's a powerful addition to your home that offers surprising benefits beyond its looks. First, let's talk about air quality. Asplenium nidus helps filter indoor air by trapping dust and absorbing certain pollutants. While it may not replace an air purifier, it definitely contributes to a fresher and cleaner environment. Another underrated benefit is its ability to increase humidity naturally. As the plant releases moisture into the air, it helps combat dryness, especially useful if you spend a lot of time in air-conditioned rooms. This can improve skin hydration, reduce irritation, and even support easier breathing. But the benefits don't stop there. Studies have shown that indoor plants can reduce stress and boost mood. The lush, tropical look of this fern creates a calming atmosphere that makes any space feel more relaxing and peaceful. Whether placed in a living room, bedroom, or workspace, it instantly softens the environment and promotes a sense of well-being. For pet owners, this plant is a safe choice. It's non-toxic to cats and dogs, so you can enjoy its beauty without worrying about your furry friends. And let's not forget its design appeal. With its bright green, wavy leaves forming a rosette shape, it acts as a natural centerpiece in any room. It blends perfectly with modern, minimalist, or jungle-inspired interiors. In short, the bird's nest fern is more than just decor. It's a lifestyle upgrade that brings beauty, comfort, and a touch of nature into your everyday life. Now you know the secrets to growing a lush, thriving bird's nest fern. From mastering the perfect light and watering routine to unlocking its hidden benefits, you're fully ready to turn this stunning plant into the centerpiece of your home. But here's the real question. Are you ready to create your own indoor jungle? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more plant care secrets. And tell me in the comments, where are you placing your bird's nest fern? Living room, bedroom, or bathroom spa vibe? See you in the next video.